Good afternoon, guys. You know, there's been so much discussion and arguing and debate about the whole TRT and TOT and HOT and XYZ. At the end of the day, it's all for replacement. To be normal. Don't we all want to be normal? Don't you want to be normal? God knows I want to be normal. The thing is that... bloody hell. Yes. No, but I don't care if they want to be optimized. No, we won't be refunded. But just no, get them away from the. Give me strength. This bloody TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel they're all watching. Everyone has to be all optimized and optimal. Give me strength. Why can't people just be normal? I mean, normal allows me to be alpha male, German Shepherd. I mean, on the libido side, it's more than sufficient. I've got pheromones dripping off of my HCG-infused, testosterone-laden manly bits. I mean, women walk by and they're like, yeah, they know. They don't say anything about it. They don't react to it, but they know. Oh yeah, they know. The normal levels of testosterone is all you really need to be happy and content with life. Like me. I must admit though, lately I have been feeling a little off. Maybe it's the estrogen. Maybe I need to double up on those aromatase inhibitors. Yeah, that's what it must be. Or maybe it's because I'm sat in my car in the parking lot of my practice. Not too many patients lately. No. Till next time.